What up, my people? After watching this video, you'll be able to order mixed numbers and fractions from least to greatest. Let's get it. Here's some vocabulary. We need to know how to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction. When we have a mixed number, we have a whole number and then usually a fraction attached to it at the back. All we're going to do is take the denominator and multiply it by the whole number, and then we add the numerator. After that, we just divide it by the denominator, and that will give us the improper fraction that we need that we can plug into a calculator. All right, for example number 1, we're going to be ordering these numbers from least to greatest. We have improper fraction 31 over 8. We have 3.887. We have 3.30. Then we have mixed number 3 and 8/9. All we're going to do is plug in the improper fraction to our calculator. And when we do that, we're going to get 3.875. We already have two decimals that are next. And so the last one is the mixed number. We take the 9 again, we multiply that by the 3, and then we add it to the 8. And then we throw all of that divided by the 9. Once we get that and we put it into our calculator, we're going to get 3.88 repeating. So we know that 3.30 is going to be the smallest. Then we have 3.875 as the next in order. Then we have 3.887. And then we have 3.888888 repeating. So that's going to be our fourth. So when we put this in order from least to greatest, it's going to be 3.30 is less than 3.875, which is less than 3.887, which is less than 3.88 repeating. And that's it. All right, we're going to be ordering these numbers from least to greatest. We have the improper fraction 59 over 8. We have the mixed number 7 1/3. We have 7.92 and 7.922. The improper fraction is already set up so that I can throw it into my calculator. So when I do that, I get 7.375. We have our mixed number, so we take the denominator 3, multiply that by 7, which is going to be 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So that's going to give me 22 over 3. When I plug that into my calculator, I'm going to get 7.33 repeating. And the rest of these are already in decimal form, so now I'm ready to order these from least to greatest. Our smallest number is going to be the 7.33 repeating, so that's going to be our first term. Our next term is going to be 7.375, so that's going to be the second term. The third term is going to be 7.92, and the greatest term is going to be 7.922. So if I organize this from least to greatest, it would be 7.33 repeating is less than 7.375, which is less than 7.92, which is also less than 7.922. And that's it. All right, we're at that point. Here's a problem for you to try. There will be a link to the solution in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for taking the time to invest in yourself and making a weakness a strength. Ashe.